All right, we've got some beautiful fabrics for you. Happy Thursday morning. We're gonna now keep in mind these are all going to be $16.99 today and tomorrow. $16.99. We've got some beautiful prices, beautiful fabrics. This is a viscose. It's a dual border. Olive green is the base here, and olive green is very hard to find. So when I find it, I kind of get all I can because it's such a good seller. So again, 100% viscose. This has stretch in both directions. The border, it's a 60-inch wide fabric. The border is probably 15 inches. And it's dual. It's the exact same on both sides. So you can just make some really cool stuff with that. This is a Hugo Boss piece of fabric. It's a wool boucle. It is way more than $16.99 originally, but again, $16.99 today and tomorrow. Isn't that beautiful? Just a pretty piece of fabric. This is a mohair. And you know it was way more than $16.99. But anyway, I don't know if you remember, I did a jacket out of it. I used the selvage because I love these selvages. They're so beautiful. 100% mohair. Very pretty piece, woven. Then I put with this a solid piece. This is new. This has stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, and what we're seeing now is they're taking scubas and they're refining them to be more like pantaromas. So this is a fabric that's really beautiful. It could be skirt, pants, it could be anything. It's really a versatile fabric. It's a cotton poly, stretch in both directions. And then I put this in to the mix because it was just a beautiful black and olive. And you can see both sides are usable. You can tell a difference between the two, but if one side was showing, it certainly wouldn't be a big deal. It's really beautiful. I stretch in both directions, and again, it's a cotton poly. Very pretty fabric. And then last but not least, and remember these are all $16.99 today. This is today and tomorrow. This is, or until they're gone. This is a little pop of color. I love the salmon and the olive together. You can see what a beautiful blouse this would be. It's got a little metallic right through it. 100% viscose. It's a woven. 100% viscose metallic. So it was definitely more than $16.99. But anyway, there you have it. So the goal is for you all to have great fabrics, to have happy sewing, because great fabrics make happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.